Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change contact number on the Snapchat. Because sometimes we want to change our contact number on the Snapchat. So in this video, I will show you how you can change the contact number or mobile number on the Snapchat. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it. And you will see setting options. Click on it. And then you will see mobile number options. Click on it. And then and right here another mobile number. After writing mobile number, click on verify options. And if you want to verify through text message, then click on text message, or if you want to verify through call, then click on call options. So I want to verify through text message, I will click on text message. So after receiving the code, it will automatically verify. So in this way you can change the contact number on the Snapchat. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.